So we're going to work on his back now, and then we'll do a bit on his side. We've let him have a few minutes rest while we charge the battery and while he uses the loo and just relaxes a bit. So let that breath. How is your fingers feeling now, Grant? Are they not so much in tetany?
No.
Yeah, so with time, a few minutes, and it's all fine. But he's looked at where that emotion's come from and you know, getting in touch with it. Big breath. That's stuff I'll show you more in the advanced course. Okay, so just having a feel of that big toe sacrum band. Oh, nice.
Nice one.
Yeah. Good breathing.
It's a sore toe,
Oh, yeah.
is it?
No.
No? Okay. Other side. Other foot. Big breath. Still working on that Achilles band. And a big toe. Sacrum band. Big breath. for a minute. This is often where people hold resentment, frustration, anger, rage. Here. Just let him breathe in. All working up now. Achilles band through here, and then right into there. As he catches his breath, and we can lay him That's it, relax, big breath, that's it. Doing well. Good. Good. That's it. Things are starting to relax quite well. Oh, there we go. Another nice big. Okay. What's that?
Getting yourself prepared for the rest of the time.
Oh, getting yourself psyched up for the ankles. The cut under the little toe here. Just get familiar with where that is. That's right on the bend of it.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Yep. So we got a couple points in there, and then a couple more. And then flip off the energy, just make it work. Just gently hold them, give them a shake. Powerful points in here, very powerful. We can, like, even this gentle caressing motion here, and then the shake sends energy up the body. Might get a bit more shaking happening. So. But we'll just stretching the foot up like this enables us to get into this place. I call these treasure troves because there's so much held in the ankles. that?
No.
Nothing, feeling it? Yeah. So following those Achilles band up through here, just gently with my fingers, palm of my hand, and coming into the big toe sacrum there, and letting him breathe. Okay, we'll keep it normal. Like this. Big breath. And again. So just getting that right pressure just okay. And then here, getting him to breathe. Just a nice way to get into that Achilles band there.